Since 2005, Road Roller has been shaping the future of roads and terrains, combining tradition, innovation, and respect for the environment. Every project begins where others stop, on worn-out, unpaved, or broken roads. Our mission? To renew them, stronger and smarter than before. With advanced recycling techniques, we give new life to the very ground beneath your feet. Old materials, soil, gravel, and crushed stone are milled, mixed, and reborn. In the first phase, the road is milled to remove potholes and irregularities, preparing the foundation for renewal. In the second phase, the recycled material is leveled and shaped, creating a smooth, homogeneous base with precise slopes for perfect drainage. And in the final phase, the surface is compacted and strengthened, forming a solid, durable road ready for years of use. Our expertise lies in road and terrain renovation, from municipal projects and public domains to cycling and hiking routes, parking areas, and subcontracting for asphalt specialists. The result? A process that is efficient, ecological, and economically smart. At Road Roller, we don't just rebuild roads, we reshape the path forward.